Narendra Modi. Okay.
Your opinion?
Okay, so the question was, what is my opinion about Narendra Modi? I do not want to get really political because I admit I don't know enough about Indian politics to have a solid opinion of him.
But he is Prime Minister of
He
India.
is Prime Minister, yes, I know. And you have the general elections coming up next year. And I have been reading about this election in the paper, but I have not made up my mind yet.
What is the publicity written from Modi?
Yes, there is some publicity, but I was not following really when I was in Britain.
किड्स हैं, देखिए खाना खा रहे हैं हम.
So I'm about to try traditional Rajasthani meal. We've got some khichdi here, some paratha, and some roti, and some chutney. That's right. Looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait. This is absolutely delicious. I've just tried some of the roti with the riata and the chutney. Incredible. I'm a convert. I love Rajasthan.
Nice view.
Nice view. Chilly in the morning in India now, in December. We're going to give a little talk at the Mahash's school. Introduce myself. Show them my bike.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic.
Fantastic.
I just had a really, really lovely evening with Mahesh and his family. And now I have a long day cycling in the beautiful India ahead of me to get to Agra.
Now where will you go?
I go to Agra now.
Agra.
Agra,
And you will watch the Taj Mahal.
Yes, tomorrow morning, 5 a.m. I'll try and go to the Taj Mahal.
And you will celebrate your 31st in Agra.
In Agra, yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Waiting for the train to pass. Good train. On the way to school. Back to school again after 5 years away.
हम फाटक पे हैं, ट्रेन आ गई थी. गुड इवनिंग. ये है किड्स.
Hello.
और yesterday when I was returning from school on the way, रास्ते में ये बैठे हुए थे, इनकी बाइसिकल पास में खड़ी हुई थी. तो आई टॉक्ड, मैंने इनसे थोड़ी बातें की, तो इन्होंने जो बताया बहुत अमेजिंग लगा. एक्चुअली हमारे यहाँ पर इस रूरल एरियाज़ में यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा हिस्टोरिकल और टूरिस्ट स्पॉट भी नहीं है कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे फॉरेन विजिटर्स आएँ. तो ये सहयोग से मुझे मिले और मैंने इनसे बातें की और इनको इनवाइट किया हमारे घर पर स्टे करने के लिए नाइट को, और ये एग्री हो गए. तो इनका जो पर्पज़ है, ये करीब 25 कंट्रीज़ में ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हैं ऑन द बाइसिकल, और कोई पार्किंसंस डिजीज़ की चैरिटी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, और अभी तक ये 17 कंट्रीज़ में विज़िट कर चुके हैं. तो ये किट आपको खुद ही बताएंगे उनके बारे में, किन किन कंट्रीज़ में ये गए हैं और कहाँ कहाँ पे अब ये आगे जाएंगे, और इनकी जो चैरिटी है, जिस काम के लिए चल रहे हैं, घूम रहे हैं, उसके बारे में. तो मीट.
Hello everyone, my name is Kit. Thank you Mahesh for introducing me. So I'm 22 years old and I'm from London, where my family lives. I left London on May the 2nd, 2018 in order to try to cycle from London to New Zealand. So I've been cycling now for 8 months through 17 countries. A few of those countries I'll go through them now. It's Great Britain, France, Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Czech, Slovakia, Hungary, Romania, Bulgaria, Turkey, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, and finally to India. So during this ride, I'm trying to raise money and awareness also for Parkinson's UK. This is my charity. They are the largest Parkinson's research funder in Europe, and so far they've raised over 85 million pounds. Oh, I'll do it. You can cut that bit again.
yeah.
Was that 85 million? Yeah. So far they've raised over 85 million pounds towards finding a cure for Parkinson's disease. So they're doing some really good work. You'll find more information about it on my website, www.kitridestheworld.com. And you can also find other things about my trip, my blog. You can track me on there with my GPS spot tracker. You can see what route I'm taking. So yeah, anything like that, check out my website. It's been lovely to stay with Mahesh. It's great to meet him. He's a lovely guy, a fantastic English teacher, I think, and a fantastic YouTube vlogger. He's doing lots of different things on YouTube, so he's really good to check him out. Yeah. And help a guy out.
And press bell icon.
Okay.
And press bell icon. ये बोलो.
Yeah. Is this Hindi?
No.
What did you say?
This is the press the bell icon.
Oh, okay. And press the bell icon. Okay.
Subscribe and press the bell icon.
Subscribe and press the bell icon. All right, there you go. You heard it from the man himself.
अब जो कीट है अपने लिए कॉफी प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, तो देखते हैं वो कॉफी कैसे खुद के लिए तैयार करते हैं. बता रहे थे कॉफी स्पेशलिस्ट हैं.
Here we have a premium Indian Arabica coffee. I bought this when I was in Jaipur, so we're going to try this out now. It should be delicious. So now I'm just grinding the coffee beans first, and then we can brew them. It takes a while, this part, by the way.
कप लिया.
Someone would like to try coffee? Have we got another cup?
हाँ या कप लिया. Cup.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Nice. Coffee in the morning.
This is a vegetable.
Just vegetable curry?
Potato, हाँ vegetable curry.
Okay.
हाँ.
Are you filming?
Eh?
You filming?
Yeah.
Okay. Morning. Mahesh has just given me some delicious vegetable curry with some roti and curd. You can take your curd sweet or salty. I've taken mine sweet this morning. Amazing.
अब किट मेरे साथ स्कूल आए हैं 12th क्लास में, विद्या देवी स्कूल में है ये, और बच्चों के बीच में बच्चे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं इनसे, इनकी जर्नी के बारे में, इनके कंट्री के बारे में, स्पेशली वहाँ की कल्चर क्या है. तो बहुत अच्छा हम टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ये आप देख सकते हो कि ये किट एंड ही इज मनोज चौधरी अवर डायरेक्टर एंड दे आर द स्टूडेंट्स इन बिग गैदरिंग हियर. और नाउ द क्वेश्चंस एंड
क्वेश्चन कर लो जो है जी. आ जाओ जोरे तुम्हारे बोर्ड.
if you have any question
जोरे पूछो.
he is asking which player do you like most?
Player, football player?
Cricket.
Okay. So, I know cricket is very, very popular here in India. But I have to admit that I don't actually watch cricket, and I don't play cricket either. I know some players. I'm sure you've heard of Freddie Flintoff.
Virat Kohli.
विराट कोहली.
Virat Kohli. He's my favorite player.
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. Okay.
And about Shah Rukh Khan. He has silent. About Shahrukh Khan. That you were telling me last night. Again.
So I have not seen so many Bollywood movies, but one movie that I have seen is called My Name is Khan. Yeah. And I actually watched this in school about 6 years ago, and it's got the very famous actor Shah Rukh Khan. And and it was a great movie. And I came to Mahesh's house and found out he's a very big fan of Shah Rukh Khan. So it's great that we have some mutual interest in this actor. Yes. I know about Mahatma Gandhi. As I said, I'm not a very good historian, but I've read a little bit about him, that he started the Congress Party, which is still a very successful party today. And in the recent elections, they came to power in Rajasthan and pushed out Vasundhara Raj. So I know a small amount about him. Okay. So the question was about khichdi. This is actually very, very similar to a dish that we have in Britain every single morning, called porridge, which is basically oats with the milk, and then you heat it up exactly like khichdi, and you can put in this sugar or fruits or jam or anything like this. Yesterday we had with jaggery, which was very, very delicious and lots of energy. Very good. Here we go. God save our gracious Queen, long live our holy Queen. God save the Queen. Send her victorious, happy and glorious, long to reign over us. God save the Queen. There you are. This is our national anthem. It's for you, it's good for the planet. So the question was about the Koinu diamond. I must say I don't know very much about this, so I will not talk for long. I think it's an Indian diamond which is now in our possession. I'm not going to go into the politics of this because I'm not well informed. So the question was, what is my favorite dish, my favorite meal in India? For me, I tried a few times in Jaipur a dish called the Rajasthani Gatta. I don't know if you know this. Rajasthani Gatta. Gatta.
Besar gatta.
With butter and cheese. Kit here. Just giving you a little update on the evening that we've shared. Yeah. So as I said, I've spent the evening here with Mahesh Yadav and his family. It's been a really, really lovely experience. So I met him on the road about 4 hours ago. I was just sitting down to check my map, and Mahesh came up on his motorbike, and as lots of people do here, he came to introduce himself because people are always looking to make new friends and be sociable and help people out. So we had a conversation on the road, and he invited me back to his house to meet his family and to experience some traditional Indian food and some Indian village life. And this is exactly what I'm trying to do on my expedition, trying to cycle from London to New Zealand to learn about new cultures from local people. So here we are. We came back here and had some delicious Rajasthani food, which was only the first time that I tried it, so it was a really, really amazing experience. And then Mahesh and I spent the evening with his lovely family, his wife and his two children, his two boys, chatting about our travel experiences, general experiences about life, what is different in our cultures and what is similar, about our New Year's Eve plans. Mahesh told me about his travel to Agra to see the Taj Mahal last year. I'm actually going to Agra tomorrow to do this exact thing, to see the Taj Mahal. So it was really informative, really nice for me to have a chat before I go there with someone who's been there from a local perspective. And then we talked at length also about Mahesh's YouTube channel, Let Me Cry. And so he has spent the past 8 months putting a lot of his time and his effort into developing this YouTube channel. He talks a lot about educational videos and motivational videos and some other videos just for enjoyment, to help you relax and things like this, footage from around his village and around this area of Rajasthan. So if you're into anything like this, you should really check it out. They're really great. He puts a lot of effort into them and they're very high quality, so please go and have a look and click subscribe.